We're in early days at this moment. The architects, engineers and construction companies are introducing the technologies as a replacement to computer-aided design, and at the very early stages of the collaboration processes that are necessary to maximise the effectiveness of the application of the technology. Very much so. We're not necessarily a long way behind other countries in these sort of things, but we do have things to learn from other countries. So a number of major construction projects have been completed using these technologies and processes. Other countries have looked to require the collaboration of the parties to deliver the data that's required for effective management of the facilities. Yeah. They've found that that's not the best way to go. We should leave industry to work out arrangements for good collaboration and just define the data that's required along the way to inform good asset management. So there is plenty of learning to be gained from looking at those experiences overseas. We've got plenty of industry excitement in this country of picking up these things, but we've got things to learn still.
Okay, and we obviously just tapped on it a little bit there with the collaboration side of things. So I was just wondering, how important really is the aspect of collaboration in being able to utilise this technology effectively, really, and get the most out of it?
It's worth saying that without collaboration, it really doesn't move practice much further forward at all. So BIM can be used as a replacement of computer-aided design or CAD within a practice, but that doesn't lead to the benefits that BIM offers. For example, in clash detection between various systems, where it can be properly put together in an integrated view or federated view to work out the clashes between various systems. The use of BIM, when properly applied through competent people who are prepared to collaborate using the technologies, will radically improve the time for design, allowing for clash detection and other aspects to be considered in scheduling of construction and the like, to optimise processes for construction and the costs involved. So it will allow us to much more quickly design and get projects completed. We're at a very early stage in asset management. Not to say that there aren't some softwares already out there that can accept building information for effective or intelligent management of assets. We are, though, needing the facilities management industry to recognise the benefit of the information flows that will become available. When they do, it will allow for much more effective facilities management. Some of this will go to improving on building automation systems that we currently use, but it'll also go to collecting data across the building using sensors and the like, will allow much more informed and strategic management of the facilities. I think the key is that we learn from the experiences of others, and that's for government and industry to partner, looking at industry doing what it should to work out how it should collaborate, how it should use these technologies. Government shouldn't be stepping in and influencing that side, but we do need government to recognise its role as major procurement of healthcare facilities in Australia and building generally across Australia, and to partner with them, maybe through a task force arrangement, to identify the actions necessary to remove the remaining barriers to widespread adoption of BIM. So really, partnership between industry and government leaving for industry what the market should deliver, but then working out what spaces it needs to influence in order that it can improve productivity of the building construction industry and assist the industry with being internationally competitive, so we can apply these sort of technologies and processes to help people in the Asia Pacific region, of which we sit on their doorstep.